Hi, today we're going to be taking a unboxing review at Quank CRKT the M16-10KSF knife. So it says designed by Carson. I don't know. I don't know who that is. Kit Carson. That's who it's designed by. So it says triple point serrated. I'm not really sure what they mean by triple point because we only see at least 2 points on here, but it's a triple point. So, yeah. Dual hilt blade guard, stainless steel handle, flame lock safety. So it says everyday. I don't know why it's coming up on the camera here. There you go. So yeah, everyday lifetime warranty. Not a limited lifetime, but a full lifetime warranty, which is pretty great. And on the back here, if I could get the camera to focus. There you go. M16 stainless steel, or stainless. I'm sorry, M16 stainless Tanto black with triple point serrations. I still don't know how they could call this a triple point. Because for real, I'm only seeing the point up there is 1. The point down there is 2. I guess maybe to consider the serration part a point. I have no idea, but from my point of view, I can only see 1 and 2 as 2 points right there. But yeah. Says the M16 stainless steel series comes from a long line of military tools. Now you can counter civilian tasks with this everyday carry version, or EDC, of the legendary M16 knife. Features a dual hilt, a black EDP blade. EDP, I'm not really sure what EDP stands for. I'm guessing everyday point. Because I know what EDC, everyday carry, is EDC, but EDP, not really sure what that is. I know OFT, or OTF, out the front, out, OTF, OTF. Yeah, OTF means out the front, so I just learned what that is. Just like how with Airsoft, I learned what age means. It's not another company, but Airsoft Electronic Gun. OTF means out the front. For like switchblades, it comes out the front. Obviously, what else is it going to come out the side, the back? Yeah, really. So, yeah. But EDC, like I said, I know what it is, but EDP, not sure what EDP is. So if anyone knows, please let me know in the comments what EDP